Finally, after weeks of leaks and rumors, Canon EOS R7 and R10 have finally arrived. Both of the mirrorless cameras are affordable and all-rounders and could be the best choice for amateur photographers. Canon has also launched two new kit lens options, and these new lenses can be mounted directly onto the full-frame Canon EOS R system cameras. The RFS 18-150mm kit lens is sharp and small enough and great option for vloggers, while the RFS 18-150mm kit lens is a super zoom lens that covers a larger focal length of 29-240mm in terms of full frame equivalent. Unlike rest of the Canon's EOS R series cameras, EOS R7 and EOS R10 has APS-C sensor which is smaller than a full frame one. This smaller sensor also brings advantages like lower price tag and smaller form factor, and most often that crop factor is useful for wildlife photography. Both cameras also offer pretty rapid continuous shooting speeds of 30 fps per shooting mode. Your frame rate will be affected by conditions like lenses, also the camera's buffers. EOS R7 brings several features that are lacking on EOS R10. These include in-body image stabilization and also weatherproofing to same level as EOS 90D. Also, it's got two UHS 2 card slots, while the EOS R10 has only one UHS card slot. EOS R7 is also a strong video shooter, offering the ability to shoot uncropped 4K 60 fps video. Both cameras include dual pixel CMOS AF2. Same autofocus system is also equipped on the pricier cameras like EOS R5 and EOS R6, which bring benefits like full frame AF coverage. Autofocus system also tracks faces, eyes, and it can even find heads when neither of those are visible in the frame. Canon says the new sensors do share same components with existing sensors but have redesigned with micro lenses and new circuitry. Both EOS cameras clearly benefit from the new Digic X processor, which unleashes those improvements to autofocus and burst speeds shooting. When it comes to the video recording, the Canon EOS R7 can use 7K oversampling to record high quality 4K UHD video up to 30p. In the new 4K UHD fine mode. The EOS R10 is capable of shooting 4K UHD at 30 frames per second, which is achieved by 6K oversampling. R7 has got 32.5 megapixel sensor, while R10 gets 24.2 megapixel sensor. Both cameras come with in-body image stabilization. Canon's hobby-level DSLRs are typically refreshed every 3 years or so. Still, one thing is for sure, these both new mirrorless cameras shows that the Canon is clearly focusing onto their EOS R system to finally bring in new possibilities for non-professionals. So what do you think about the latest Canon EOS R series? Do let me know in the comments down below. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and this is Kedar from How To Guys signing out.